Brace yourselves, crypto people. Bittrex, a popular crypto exchange, has gone bankrupt. Yes, the craziness is not only in the real world but also in the crypto world as well. The company filed for bankruptcy protection after being accused of operating an unregistered securities exchange by the SEC. Bittrex had to halt its operations in the US on April 30th, and things are not looking up for them. According to their bankruptcy petition, Bittrex is estimating their assets and liabilities to be in the range of $500 million to $1 billion. But here's the kicker, the largest creditor is the Treasury Department's Office of Foreign Asset Control, which is owed over $24 million. Despite this massive setback, Bittrex claims it still holds the crypto assets of US customers who didn't withdraw their funds before April 30th, and that these assets are safe and secure. However, the legal troubles for Bittrex don't end there. The SEC filed a lawsuit against Bittrex on April 17, alleging that their former CEO William Shahara encouraged crypto asset issuers to remove public statements that could lead regulators to investigate their token offerings as securities. Bittrex has denied these allegations, but they had already agreed to pay $29 million in fines to the US Treasury Department for violating sanctions and anti-money laundering laws. This bankruptcy filing is just another sign that the going is getting tough. Stay tuned for more updates. What do you think about it? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Follow for more Forex news and broker exposed update. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.